In this video, I'm going to show you how you can permanently delete your Roblox account. If you find this video helpful, I'll kindly request that you support me by liking the video and also by subscribing to this channel. Alright, so to do this, go ahead and log into your Roblox account. And once you are on your account, head over to more here, or if you can see more, head to this menu bar. And then from this, go to settings. Now under settings, go ahead and choose privacy and content restrictions. From here, choose the last option, account deactivation and deletion. Now, if you tap on this, we have two options. One is to deactivate your account and the other one is to initiate account deletion. If you choose the first one, it means your account will no longer be active or visible. It will just be hidden and you can regain it at a later time when you wish to do so. However, if you want to permanently delete it, then choose this option, initiate account deletion. Here you're told deleting your account is permanent and cannot be reversed. After deleting your account, you will not be able to access any items from your Roblox account. If you are sure this is what you want, go ahead and tap on initiate, and then here you can confirm by choosing initiate here. So you have to note this is a permanent decision and it will not be reversed. For my case, I still want to keep my account, but those are the steps you should take to delete your account permanently. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.